Hello YouTube, I'm gonna be bringing you a Traxxas slash 4x4 Ultimate with lots of upgrades. I have a nice run in the dirt. Small clip here on the video. The video will be talking about how it got after the dirt. A few clips of me running through the dirt, and just after these clips there will be me talking about this amazing truck, what I do to maintain, and the biggest upgrade I made so far, which is the shocks, Proline shocks. Those are amazing and makes the entire difference on handling on the dirt as well on the pavement. So hope you guys like it, enjoy, consider subscribing if you have not, and drop a like. Always helps the channel. I want to keep growing this hobby on making video and helping out people with some helpful information. I post things about pretty much everything that I'm interested on, and sometimes it matches what you are interested as well, so consider subscribing. Thank you, and enjoy the next session of this video. Thank you. So this is how my Traxxas slash 4x4 looks like after the run. Major difference I noticed with this Proline shocks. It's amazing the difference it makes. I mean, it's, if I knew it before, I would have purchased this way a long time ago. The car doesn't roll as it used to do. The suspension, it's really holding up all the weights, and it prevents it from rolling. Very nice, solid suspension. Very cool suspension. So everything is working well in this vehicle. The only issue I had was that pin over there came loose after a very hard crash. So I'll be fixing that later. But other than that, the car is working as expected. Very happy with, again, with the shocks. Very good shocks. It's unbelievable. It's crazy. Like, it's expensive, but it works very well. And I'm using the Mamba Monster Castle Creations here. The motor, I don't even remember the motor specs, but I know it's faster, better than the stock. I recorded the current setup running 2S. It was going up to 42 miles an hour. If I put a 3S, it would do probably 65 or so. I gotta clean this vehicle now because after the run, got some mud, got some dirt. The servo I'm using is Evox SC0251. Very strong, fast, responsive servo. Other than that, it's pretty much, you know, just the roller. Basically everything is different in this vehicle here. All right, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. Helps the channel, helps me continue to create these videos sharing my experience with this RC car here. Thank you for watching. Like I said, this is the bonus clip of me running the car for much longer than the short clips over there. So yeah, let's just enjoy the show here. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oi. Caramba, eu falei pra não pegar na água, eu mesmo que peguei na água, ó. Bosta. Ô Bernardo,